Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mass airflow sensor. First, we want to locate it. That's going to be located right off of your airbox, right along here. The next thing we'll do is disconnect the electrical harness from that. Just go ahead and squeeze on this tab right where my thumb is, and then remove it. After you remove it, take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This looks great, so let's set it aside. The next thing we'll do is remove our two mounting bolts, one right down here and the other right up top. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. You want to make sure that you have the sensing agent, which is right in here, facing towards where the air filter is. You don't want it the opposite way. It won't work. Go ahead and slide it right in there. Make sure the bolt holes line up. Start in both of your mounting bolts before you tighten either of them up. Just make sure that's snug. Give that a nice wiggle. Make sure it's secure. Go ahead and grab your electrical connector. Connect it in. Now you just want to start up your car, make sure you don't have a check engine light, and take it for a road test.